Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here with Print to Paint. Today's video is dedicated to this beautiful action figure Gemma Monster Hunter. Don't miss today's video because I want to apply realistic skin color on this action figure. As you see, the main figure has been 3D printed with resin, and I used the standard plus resin brand Jayo, and the base has been printed with PETG filament. So first, before the painting process, let's see who is Gemma.
Alrighty. Perfection.
Okay, so let's start the process. First, we have to smoothen the areas, the signs of supports. Then I will apply the primer and we will start the main painting process. Before everything, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It helps a lot to grow the channel and I will appreciate your support. First, let's start with fixing the errors in the print or signs of the support which remained on the surface. For example, here, as you see, we have some signs, but not too many, and just in a short time we can fix and solve all the issues. I use Vallejo primer for priming before the main paint, and I use the airbrush to apply the primer in the surface of the action figure. When the primer is totally dried, it's time to paint the skin color. First, before the main skin color, it will be a good idea to apply the shade underneath, which means the deep parts of body like under eyes, armpit, here the chest, belly button. Those I will apply a shade with this color here, smoke ink. Then when it's dried, I will apply the main skin color like this. Here the shading part is totally dried, and I have to apply the main skin color. For this character I will use light flesh color, this paint from Vallejo brand. So with the brush, let's start with the face, like this, okay? Like this, try to cover all the face, and when it will dry, you will see the amazing result of your paint. Do the same for the neck, chest, and the entire body. For making the highlight and the shadow, the highest surface will be the brightest part. So we apply the paint like this. Here the chest, the same, neck, and also the belly. Step by step, you should continue and repeat this process again and again to have the best shade in the deep parts of body and the reflex of the light on the highest surface. Okay, so now for the trousers I want to use this metallic color. For the metal effect, just easily take a piece of sponge, apply the silver color, and do like this. Meanwhile, to be more realistic, you can give some touches of black paint as well. To make it more beautiful, we can use this rust color with the same method which we already applied black and silver paint on the edges. With a piece of sponge we apply the rust color like this. Now for the hair I will use this color, elf skin tone, because the character has blonde hair, so more or less it's something similar. And I will apply this color on the hair like this.